So I bought a boat. It's a pretty big boat. Man messed up. I don't know if it runs. It's dirty. It's falling apart. Trailer's a little rusty. But it made it 2 hours to its destination. And we'll see what we can do. I'm back at the boat. That's what we got going on today. Just down in the cabin. Just went and bought 2 brand new batteries. I'm gonna try and get this thing started today. This is what she's looking like though. Major work down here though. Everything needs to be gutted. This is the main problem though. Definitely got some rotten floor. So we're gonna have to pull it all out. Probably rebuild the stringers. A lot of fiberglass work. But I don't know how to do that, so that's what we're working with. But first step, we're gonna get this cleaned out some. That way it's a little cleaner while I'm working on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Doing some more work. Getting all this nasty carpet out. Gonna be doing a whole new layout. This is where the kitchen used to be. The V-berth. Had a little table, benches. Fridge used to be right here. Bathroom, I'm working on gutting that. Still really haven't messed with the back bedroom. But I'm gonna keep plugging away. Get her all torn out. Yes, sir. Got all the fabric out. Carpet all over everything, all over the ceilings, all over the floors. Got a nice rock spot I'm gonna have to replace here. Floor. Do a nice bench here. Got this little bathroom. I took the toilet out, but I want to move this wall to about right here. Extend it so you got a nice big bathroom. And got this bedroom. Got that all torn out. Couple little soft spots right here and right there. Probably just cut out like here. Replace that. Put all new vinyl up, make some new furniture, put the kitchen back in. Well, build a new kitchen anyways. But yeah. I'll do some vinyl all the way around here. And the door. I'm gonna wrap the console here. My seat here. That's down into the bedroom. But yeah, it's coming along.